Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
Well, according to this, you don't have to do anything, but there's a sharp left-hand bend that comes back on the shot. If you miss that, you miss.
And that goes straight to the deep?
Yeah.
How long's that?
20-something minutes.
Alright, I'll go past that turn. You guys, I'll follow you to the turn?
Yeah. And then overtake from there?
Yeah.
Alright, mate.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Got AC, mate, so...
No, please! Please! I know, so, meet you on the turn. Right, so we've come off to this creek bit, like come out of that exit, and we're kind of stuck here because that way's the sea. That's the way we need to go, but it's blocked by the sea. And the other option is to go up here, but that's pretty, no, it's pretty deep. It's a really hard exit. So we've managed to get a car about halfway up, but we're struggling to get that second half, and then we have to worry about the bike. I'm not too worried about the exit on the bike because you can always just push it up. I'm kind of worried about the entrance because the water's pretty deep. I might go have a look over there. There might be something else I can ride through, but oh, almost had it.
Yeah!
Alright, so that's the car through, out and over. Now we just gotta get the bike through. You reckon left or right? Right, my turn. was an ordeal. I got a little bit too deep there.
Yeah, you got close there.
Good stuff. Hey, that was tense. I didn't think the car would get up. There I go down in Pathfinder again.
They need a little pull, but all it needed is because when you, if it was an auto, it would have shot up, I think.
Why is that?
Because when I took my foot off the gas, it rolled slightly off.
Ah. Right. Right. Price is voted. Everyone up. I've got just no more energy left. Ugh. Oh, far out, mate.
Mate, we'll keep going.
You can go, mate. I'm staying here.
Wow, relax, mate. That level.
Oh yeah. Oh, you want to see that? Look at that.
Fuck, look at the size of that thing. Yeah. Something's over there as well. Where? Can you see this thing, right? Yeah. You're looking too far, like closer.
Right there. Like maybe 2 meters ahead of us.
2 meters.
There's a big flat.
I've been Mama Rach. Tell me what you can see.
Come on, Mum.
What is that? Callie. Callie. Come this way. It's literally, come, quick. No, look, it's literally swimming towards us. You saw it, innit, Sammy?
Lots of little fish in there.
No, there's like scales and Oh, good morning and welcome back to day 3 of our Fraser trip adventure. Found this awesome little camp spot last night. It's sort of tucked away from the beach, and behind us was like this river, and in front of us was the sea. We didn't really get much of a setup on camera because it was pouring with rain, really bad weather, but I could still admire the beauty of the campsite. It was awesome. Today, to be honest, I have no idea what we're doing. But we have a map, so we'll get to planning as soon as we have breakfast. And I'll see you when we figure it out. So, all set up, all packed up, ready to go. Yeah, it was a terrible rainy last night, but this morning the sun has come out and you got views like that to look forward to. And something about that motorbike right there, sitting on sand with the sun rising, just does it for me. So, we're heading back. We've made a plan. We're heading back to the creek we came in at, but we're going further this time. Going inland, seeing some awesome lakes, which hopefully we'll be able to swim, but if not, we'll get some cool shots. And then we're heading to Yorong, where we're staying in a hotel for 3 days, so we don't have to worry about rainy campsites or anything like that. Ooh, righto. See if she starts. Oh. Almost. Oh man, that was fun. So this is the creek we crossed yesterday. All of this is salt water. I'm just talking to the camera. This is where we came out after we crossed that little freshwater bit. I'm gonna go the freshwater way. You sure? I'll go around that way. Test it. That is beautiful.
How it's fresh.
How?
Fraser.
How deep is it there?
Oh, beautiful.
Should I just send it, mate?
Yeah, it's not even deep.
Is it fresh?
Yeah.
100%. I almost stalled. The gear's really wet, but I'm really dry, so I think if I put my whole body in this fresh water, I'll just get really, really refreshed. Oh, that's really cold. Woo! Yeah! Easy, man. I don't want to leave this, man.
I know, that's what we were saying. Maybe we could even have a swim here. Because now we've crossed it twice in a row.
There you go. You got the whole day to get to the hotel.
Because it's half drive. Jakob, I think it's swimming time. Yeah, but I'm not like in colour.
And here we have a wild egg.
Get out, Mark!
Oh, go, 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 go.
Brilliant.
What I do, mate.
So strong enough.